Uncle Little has on exteriors on a Kali, the community at Germany, ye jam la Hawaii. The girl who went to my Juno cat taps on cutting a human junction. Will boon the lab the Nasser and some more.
You're going to Mohammed Sharif.
Since I shall Manchester City, are they still best in Europe?
All right. Manchester City best in Europe. In your question, man. Cartoon is still bad. Manchester City is best in Europe. Cartoon is best in Europe. They are best in England, undisputed. Our best in Europe. Man City is one of the top clubs in the European football currently. But best in Europe, Madrid. Madrid could not be allied. Gabon is best in Europe. So until Kasuto enchant to the level Madrid in Europe, Madrid still holds the title, whether we perform well, we will perform well.
Okay. So things are Shalom. Arsenal be from Shalom. A pamuk fun like on league ma season be a queen and that is on Bassas.
Season one Arsenal fans might be Banjena Arsenal college, Arsenal will surprise so many people because mentality in Arsenal problem, man. This season, man, mentally they are very strong. They are mentally very strong, and Arsenal don't be enforced the team, man. Until by level shall come, and to a year and a match, Kai Havertz, they got top attacking midfielders. Kabza Hammer down, so they still have an option. I was so squad depth, man. Rumela squad depth, man, and they have been playing together. Most Anko squad, man, 80 to 90% of squad, man, they have been playing together for at least 2 or 3 years. So we never play that. So season one, when Arsenal, and they are very lucky. The other teams, man, they will be in crumbles. Teams like Manchester City. Manchester City, Babylon, see your top come up and see your top, shama. If not, now Arsenal live in big conversation now. But they be a conversation for top 4. But because of Manchester City, they are down. Liverpool and others might have been down. Arsenal could be high, man. And I'm sure Arsenal will win everything.
So things are Shalom. Manchester United, like when pick form Shalom, like Buku pick la form be temporary form come na pick one.
Manchester City, since when Carl Amorim, but when Shaq comes and have an angle, temporary.
Because so I want to be the coach, man, with temporary coach.
Be an interim manager. We need an interim manager have to that time from here to here. I interim manager to be perform well, but at time I will pack up a car. But Michael Carrick want to hear on ended this season with Manchester United. As to whether on continue next season, there is no question, man. I also yell for me the two players make a permanent structure biani and Manchester United permanent structure man can because permanent structure to biani a permanent manager can no implement that project being like a permanent manager. So at the end of the season, maybe all performance on impressive board mark a board man and impress when to make a permanent manager. So by then we have to up until year permanent about Manchester United.
Okay, so things are Mohamed Salah, world class you know things are
Mohamed Salah only Napoli, only Roma, and joining Liverpool. He has been a world class all this while. I can never criticize Robert. He's still seeing top. I will even do HW side last season. Most Salah because of Liverpool never done exist from Champions League. Ballon d'Or Sheldon billionaire probably most Salah Ballon d'Or. So this kind of player, you just know that he's a world class player. But some on a face like the bad times of Okaria, I will form man a Chandler down. But he's still a world class player. And he's still a threat to any defense you're enchanting.
Okay, so this is actually Kylian Mbappe. And Bahama on to handy o pressure shalom bomo like perform like 4 to 5 years, be 5 to 6 years. On to who be la formula.
Kylian Mbappe, mentality monster, and Madrid Bacham Mbappe feel kama he's a top of the project, man. Because I knew the way Madrid treated Mbappe before hype, and he has been delivering all this while. I can lose Mbappe FC because in a game whereby Mbappe be show up, you see Madrid saffron be lose be in draws. So Mbappe, and he's someone who has handled the pressure ever since Konyebia. I also Mbappe, I don't see any pressure. Carry to break go down. Everything he will go, he will go.
So things are sharing. Barcelona very building my baby survivor ma.
Barcelona rebuild them can survive for the yellow boot. I will rebuilding in a sense that but my like young players chen. I will jam kabaza abe academy my Lamasia recruit players can, and they have been doing well. You can see the likes of Lamine Yamal, Fermin Lopez, and Pablo Gavira, even though he's injured now. So Antonio Tama, Villa Masiama products, man. You look at Pau Kubasi, he's one of the top defenders. Spain and New World Cups once that Kubasi will be a starter from La Masia. So Barcelona will project man the China, but some of they are surviving on Pedri. And the absence of Pedri, which soon is in shambles. Soon can. I also Hans Flick needs to do something. Don't navigate through which in the absence of Pedri, Barcelona playing a fluent football.
Okay. So things are sharing. Na happy top three midfielders to me. Attacking midfielder means central midfielder. Kukumba yamba. Kapi top three midfielders in session right now.
The best defensive midfielder right now in Europe is Vitinha.
In Europe, Vitinha.
In Europe is Vitinha. And Amber central midfielder, big box to box midfielder, you just go for Declan Rice because that guy he has been very good. Box to box, defending Shemunambara, attacking Shemunambara. So opposition now Oku execute them very, very perfectly. And anchor to you an attacking midfielder. You are talking about currently.
Yeah.
So currently Jude Bellingham is still a top class. He's still a top class. Because other attacking midfielders, they are still under Jude Bellingham. But so now an exceed Jude Bellingham there.
So things are sharing. Which team is more dangerous? Liverpool mean. I got Liverpool mean. Chelsea so soon. We been sending team been sending in on dangerous.
Liverpool are a team Sheldon Chen with experience. I will the gentleman with experience, the consistency. Chelsea me lack a because Chelsea are relying solely on players and they have so much experience in the Premier League. Players like Santos, it was last season Santos, France Cana. Players like Estival, players like Gittins, and a Manchester United flop player in the person of Garnacho. So Chelsea consistency might be maturity back. But I am got you dangerous. I am facing so that you just Liverpool will go ahead because Liverpool the name Mohamed Salah Konkono face is a headache. And Mohamed Salah you are playing against Mohamed Salah and Florian Wirtz, an informed Florian Wirtz is just a modern day Kelvin De Bruyne because of the killer passes and the flame. So Liverpool are more dangerous than Chelsea right now. And Chelsea defense is very the game come at Carella defense, sorry to say. Carella of Ghana Premier League because Chelsea Zuma Bambona they are very messy. They are messed up.
Okay, so for your own opinion, like season ma retain nage anto a Premier League for anto list maka like top 5 shaban and be Premier League by top 5 teams bankung pa top 5 na for me.
Top 5 teams in the Premier League. Arsenal by Man City by Buku Sports.
Okay.
So then pala 3 teams. And 3 teams are Aston Villa Liverpool. Even though Aston Villa is the Banjo third in the Premier League. Even though recently the team be Chandler down. So I don't know whether I'm pick up Bambun to Russia probably. But I see the top teams, the traditional top 6 teams, man. The traditional top 6 teams in England, Arsenal, Manchester City, Manchester United, Liverpool, Chelsea, and Tottenham. Banker will go in the traditional top 6, man. And Tottenham, they are still fighting to escape relegation. So I believe Arsenal will drop to Europa Bay Conference. I see England having 5 spots next season because Bambama Champions League, man. So I see these 5 teams going. 5 of the top 6 traditional clubs.
Okay, so I live Vinicius nira digul makakati sa everything ka to you look at ma. So I don't know whether like celebration, the Malayan celebration can you yellow card be celebrate you in 3 yellow card.
No, can celebrate you. Can celebrate you, but the kind of celebrations. There's a reason why I can play any goal man and you just can. That goal can you again just can my yellow card. They are lost to everything they are doing there. And Vinicius me lost man because he has been a footballer ever since Odilem. So on me all this loss man. I will so the celebration shall don't provoke our opponents man to check our source a warning card. So Vinicius knew about it and Vinicius got to know work or attitude man. I don't know whether Bilam Najura but you have been there playing in the best team in the world. So the team that shape attitude and you are a role model because people see you to be the next Cristiano Ronaldo for Real Madrid. So you need to shape the two Vinicius shape or attitude man.
Okay, man, you Champions League draw one in a shama. So I'm yellow. Wula ka feel about. I feel in the kama FIFA no fair be cheating be full.
Alright, so Champions League UEFA organizer Champions League.
FIFA, yeah.
And so the no we are not random like our peer. But random the machine shall be my selector, my baby star shall be my selector, my special season more than my yam come. Ben chamka the knockout stages man can be even interesting because people will always be focused on one side because when the problem pot one import
Yeah.
to the mere channel and chant you the first sport man you man can interesting teams man. Mention the big teams, all the big teams are there except Barcelona. Barcelona is in the second pot and Barcelona is the only team shall win but my Champions League trophy every second sport man. So I chant you last second sport man. Team bebe Barcelona is accurate. You see Real Madrid, you see Liverpool, you see Bayern Munich,
You see Chelsea,
you
Paris.
see Chelsea, you see Paris,
Paris.
you see Man City. These are the top teams when we are talking about Champions League football. So Kabza ha cannot be but bending nang lakara nang balance. The man nang more interesting gar than Beshama. But don't know Shama, we are not random covenant, so we just respect their decisions.
So ang pahama. Zongo match ma bi ma man you mean Crystal Palace ma ang pahama man you gon win zongo match ma.
Man U will win Crystal Palace for sure. Manchester United will surely win Crystal Palace because Michael Carrick me should over quality football. Over 3 points. I will in Crystal Palace back. But since my way mean as the enemy team man team mapa swar me. I will so Crystal Palace man you will just walk over them. I'm sure.
Ka the mavema Arsenal the mean Chelsea bom awula ka lere de mi.
Man City some make a statement win, so I expect Arsenal to make a statement. Like I expect Arsenal to win.
Okay, so mva na tenang Arsenal mean Chelsea combine. So katinye maybe go head to head din yesham.
Okay.
So Ale Arsenal right back, Bomala Timber. Chelsea by me right back, I'll make James. So James mean Timber, they are pick more, one can pick.
For consistency, I'll pick Timber. James is a injury prone player. James will be a Santo Kunege. Bay match, on to be line up the Kamati and start catching an injury. But Timber has been there, even though out of position, Cabamiro, he's a left back. They are playing him out of position and he has been delivering. The guy has been very good, so I'll pick Timber.
Okay, so Saliba Micheluba Munka.
Definitely Arsenal made the best defense in the Premier League, so Saliba will go ahead.
Okay, so think defensive midfield ma. Casado, Omi Zubimendi, Munka.
Caicedo and Zubimendi. Caicedo last season he was one of the best defensive midfielders in Europe, not just in England back home. But Zubimendi fitting in Arsenal team man Shama. Zubimendi has been very good, but still would able to live up to level based on Caicedo standard man. So I will choose Caicedo over Zubimendi.
Okay, so Kaba attack midfielders ma. Enzo Fernandez, Omin Eze.
Enzo Fernandez, they are playing him out of position because he's a box-to-box midfielder. But the numbers are speaking for itself. And Enzo numbers, they're not very impressive. But playing out of position, winning and scoring important goals, delivering important assists for Chelsea. Eberechi is Arsenal, the one they don't really have much trust in him because by chance they start him. In this match, Kai Havertz and Kai Havertz will have started ahead of Eberechi Eze. But Enzo, while Chelsea has put their trust on Enzo and he has been delivering. So even though Enzo positioning it there, I will still tip Enzo ahead of Eberechi Eze.
Okay, so how can I tell you forward, mommy? Cole Palmer. I mean, Saka.
Two players can also form.
What I mean you are. So Palmer will form.
Palmer can form because the Palmer that will break it through from Man City can Chelsea man. It's not the Palmer that we are witnessing now. And Palmer will form Chandler down. Saka form Chandler down can injuries play. But Saka will always go ahead.
So I can tell strikers man. Victor mean Joe Pedro. Who will you pick?
For the numbers, Joao Pedro. For the numbers, but 2026 the favorite Victor Gyökeres, he has been scoring so many goals in 2026. My Premier League man, strikers man, 2026 he has the most goals in the Premier League. So and match one Agbaka 2025. So I will choose Gyökeres ahead of Joao Pedro, even though Joao Pedro has been very good. Joao Pedro is very good. Oh, finishing very good, very good.
Okay. Nta uncle he programu. Zonga katin Picatin Zatijima. So the Kamel na a final ways.
I just look forward to Man United winning and Arsenal winning. That's
all. Okay. Ta Picatin Zatija. Di kunya first time bono kanye vision. Nye like maka follow it. Tena mal mo pom na titi ya.